Hi, I'm Tony Van Veen, CEO of Dismakers. Today, I'm really excited to let you know about a new company that just launched whose whole mission is to warehouse, sell, distribute, and fulfill your physical media orders. The name of the company is Spinny Media, and it was founded by my former colleague Rob Bach, who was Chief Operating Officer at CD Baby before he started Spinny. Among other things, Rob was responsible for managing CD Baby's warehouse, where many of us, including me, had our CDs and vinyl, and he was responsible for managing the relationships with sellers like Amazon, with distributors like Alliance, and, of course, the CD Baby online store before CD Baby unfortunately shut it down. So here's what Spinny Media does. They'll warehouse your CDs or vinyl for you. Great. They will fulfill any online orders that you get from your Bandcamp page or your artist website, taking all the work out of order fulfillment. So for you, there's no more buying mailing envelopes, stuffing them with your CD, running them to the post office. Spinny does all that for you. They also have their own Spinny store where you can send your fans to buy your CD or your record, kind of a lean and mean version of the old CD Baby store. So when you do your social marketing or your email newsletter, you can link directly from there to your album listing on Spinny's marketplace, and orders will just take care of themselves. They'll also list your CDs and vinyl on their own eBay store and on Amazon. And in the unlikely event one of your buyers has an issue with their order, they'll take care of the customer service. So basically, Spinny has taken over all that is hard or time-consuming about selling and fulfilling your own physical media orders. And the best part of it? Spinny does not take a sales commission. You keep 100% of your earnings, which is pretty unusual when selling physical media. So what's the catch? No catch. Here's how it works. Spinny charges a modest subscription fee to store your CDs or vinyl. After all, they do have rent to pay. However, the subscription pricing is really indie artist and label friendly, starting as low as $2 a month, depending on how much storage space you need. And that's all it costs you, just your subscription fee. I'm really excited about this because ever since the CD Baby store closed a few years ago, there was really no place that would store, sell, and fulfill CD and vinyl orders for artists. And since we're a launch partner with Spinny, my man Rob has even agreed to give our Dismakers artists a special discount that allows you to save 25% off your first 3-month subscription. If you're ready to do this, just mosey on over to spinnymedia.com and then use code DMDisc25 to get your special Friend of Spinny discount. I'm telling you, this is just the service we need in physical media. I hope you're excited, because I sure am.